Good afternoon to all the esteemed faculty members from Maharishi Universities, invitees, and all the students here. I'm very glad today here to speak on AI hackathon idea generation that we are going to discuss with you. I'm Shruti, advocate on record in Supreme Court, and I'm also the founder president of International Council for Artificial Intelligence, Cybersecurity, Research and Development that is going to conduct AI hackathon in collaboration with Atal Incubation Center, Niti Aayog. We also have one more organization, International Economic Forum of Commerce and Industry, that is founded by me, that provides arbitration, international and mediation and legal support. So today we are conducting is a AI challenge to support and establish the startup business incubators, the startup industries, and also for the university students. All you have to do is we will forward you the email, the Google link to give the challenge on AI hackathon. And once you clear these AI hackathons, you will be trained by Atal Incubation Center online, pro bono, free of cost. And once you create your startup, our IFCI forum that is having the legal team of judges, international arbitrators and lawyers will assist you to establish the startups, right from incorporations to your IPR registration to any other legal formalities. Our mission is to achieve and to stimulate and help build the ecosystem supporting the innovation-based economy through strategizing, facilitating and promoting innovation, entrepreneurship and artificial intelligence and their applications. The benefit of joining us is top-tier training program under the pre-incubation program at AIC GNITS Foundation Niti Aayog, mentorship, media exposure, networking opportunities, business incubator supports, periodic all-round mentoring to select teams by mentors from Atal Incubation Centers, and access to the AIMS startup. As we know, artificial intelligence refers to computer system capable of performing complex tasks that could historically only a human could do, such as reasoning, making decisions, and solving problems. But now these technologies are doing so. Since you all are BTech, MTech, and technology students, you all have the idea of AI, that how new AI technologies is coming up into the corporates and the law firms. So you people who are participating in the hackathons, you will have various advantages right from the skill development, because once you clear the hackathons, instead of a job seeker, you will be a job creator. You will create the startup ideas for yourself. You will have networking with various corporates and law firms that will take your technologies, and your business skills will improve. Your portfolio, CV, resume will also increase and improve for the further, enhancement of your career. Your experience and exposure on how new AI technologies are coming up into the market and how you can grow is also going to enhance. So I just would encourage all the students who are sitting here to participate in the AI hackathons. We will be forwarding you the Google form, and once you clear up, we will support you entirely for the startup and the company initiative, and not just an entrepreneurship for you. Even when you go and apply for the company's firm, your innovative idea is going to build up your portfolio and going to attract bigger corporates and companies to take up your technologies and hire you. So all the best to all the students and the candidates. I just look forward for maximum participations from Maharishi Universities from our first AI hackathons, and more so in the future. Thank you.